If you are new to what the Watercraft Journal is, we are first and foremost a personal watercraft jet ski magazine, but we are entirely digital. We're at www.watercraftjournal.com, where new articles are written and published every day, Monday through Friday, entirely subscription free to you. So there's no downloads, there's no passwords, there's no stupid PDFs you have to upload and look through and all the Mickey Mouse stuff that a lot of digital publishers use. We do not. We simply bring up the magazine. In fact, I'll show it to you right now, where new articles are written and published every day, Monday through Friday. And as long as you have a Wi-Fi signal, you can read the magazine. And that has been what has propelled the Watercraft Journal into becoming the world's most popular personal watercraft magazine. Whether digital or print, we have more readership than anybody else. And for the most part, we talk general, we talk to the general enthusiast. We do get the hardcore racer who tunes in, as we do a lot of event coverage and race coverage, but we're not doing a lot of heavy duty builds. We're not doing a lot of heavy duty modifications on personal watercraft. You're not going to see hardcore tech or hardcore racing as you might in other outlets, only because we're talking to the vast majority, 98% of the personal watercraft owning market. So that is a little bit about the tone and spirit of the of the Watercraft Journal. The YouTube channel, although was always with the Watercraft Journal, it was not a primary focus really until about 5 years ago, where we really started pushing video production. And with that video production, we also segued into what became a routine weekly live session. And this is what we're doing tonight. In these live sessions, you can enter into the chat. If you have a question for me, you can put up a super sticker, super fan, or a super chat. A super chat is a donation and a question. And I will bring up your question up on the screen so everyone can see, and I will answer your questions for you live here tonight. But that is a little bit about who we are. For you guys who are new, this is your first time tuning in, I want to give you a quick little recap of who we are and what we do. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.